As baby grows, you will begin the transition of weaning your little one from a milk-only diet. Their first solids are usually small mouthfuls of purees and baby rice fed by mum. They soon move on to feeding themselves spoonfuls of food and quickly progress to being toddlers sitting at the table and eating like a grown-up. From the start, introducing your baby to a balanced diet full of fresh ingredients and packed with nutrients sets the foundation for healthy eating. And that's where Nuby can help, with the Garden Fresh Mighty Blender. It contains everything you need to quickly and easily prepare, store and feed homemade nutritious food, from first stage perfect purees to second stage chunkier chopped textures and third stage mini meals. Our research has shown that you can save 70% off your baby food bill by making fresh, nutritious baby food at home. Comparing like-for-like recipes from a leading baby food brand versus cooking from fresh. So how does it work? It's the mighty combination of the powerful motor, blending blade and cereal milling blade, which means you can make perfect purees and cereals for first solids, as well as second stage chunkier textures and chop third stage mini meals. And the mighty blender has a specially designed steamer basket and measuring cup, which means you can microwave steam your fruit and vegetables inside the large batch bowl and simply transfer the contents to the short cup when it's time to puree. For first stage purees, simply push and hold for silky smooth results. This apple puree takes only seconds to make. Feed straight away with the Nuby squeeze feeder or store for later with the Nuby freezer tray. For creating creamy porridge, simply switch to the milling blade. These oats only took seconds to grind. For second stage, be creative with ingredients and different textures to encourage baby to eat a variety of foods. Simply push and pulse and feed straight away using Nuby bowls and feeding spoons, or store for later in Nuby food storage pots. For third stage mini meals, simply pulse once. Try using Nuby plates and stainless steel cutlery to copy how mum and dad eat at the table. It's great to see your little one eat meals that you cook for the whole family. If you're planning on making several batches of food, use the large batch bowl. If you want to make smaller portions, use the short cup. It's rewarding and satisfying seeing your baby eat fresh homemade food with that added ingredient of love mixed in. For storing all the homemade food, the kit contains a handy freezer tray with Stay Fresh lid, 6 larger capacity food storage pots, a handy soft tip spatula and 2 long-handled weaning spoons. And for guidance and inspiration on what to make, there is a user manual and cookbook and nutrition pocket guide. Nuby Garden Fresh Mighty Blender. See nuby-uk.com for more information.